Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading Free video, January 23rd, 2025. What are we watching? More of the same about the slow grind up of the markets. Now, keep in mind in here that when we talk about markets selling off, you have to see that follow through candle to the downside. And the second thing is, after a parabolic move up, or close to it, you usually futz around a little while before you get that follow through. In the meantime, a lot of other indexes try to catch up. So when you see this right here, a lot of times then you're going to see secondary indexes like the Dow catch up. The transports try to catch up. The Russell, not there yet though. So believe it or not, that's one area I'm very interested in, and that's why we bought things that are speculative, because of that kind of thing, of that could be next. So just keep that in mind in there, that we're trying to identify a lot of small cap stocks and things that look terrible, like mRNA just coming back. So it's going nuts. I mean, I looked at it at 36. So right in here, that 36 area where the stock got murdered because they lowered their earnings projection. I didn't buy it on these. Those were gaps up. Then it faked you out here. But it's amazing, this recuperative ability of these virus stocks. And that helped NVAX. And it helped VIR. That's why we're in them. Now, the key is, what are people going to rotate into now? So a lot of times what I've seen in this is stocks that have a follow-through day is the way to go. So what we've tried to identify is stocks that are either over their 20 moving average or their 50. And then we're looking for stocks that have a bar higher than the day before. So that's why we're in VIR. That's why we're in NVAX, even though we got out early. That's why on the close, we got in something like PBYI. Yep. As you see, it had a candle one bar higher than the day before. Now, the danger is it's not really over anything yet. That's always a danger in there. I would have liked if it reclaimed that 50. So I jumped the gun, but I didn't buy a lot of it. So we're in some of these, betting on them reclaiming it. So that's how we're going to try to play the overall market. I'm telling you right now, is it extended? It absolutely is. But I don't have those reversal patterns yet. If I get them, darn right, I'm going to play them to the downside. So usually what happens, though, is you get some reversal in the ES, followed by a bear flag. If that sounds familiar, it's because yesterday on a 5-minute chart, 5-minute, it worked great yesterday. Today, you don't have it. So we're going to look for that, because I do think things are extended. So take care, have a great night, and I'll talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.